Hello, lovelies. You are all welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all with me. We are making two-in-one today, two-in-one recipe: vegetable sauce and vegetable egg sauce. You are going to see how we're going to make this. This is a must try for every family. A must have. You try it and you can be sure that your family will love this. So don't let us talk much. Let's get it started. Remember to press your share button and like. That is the onion I'll be using. All I need to do now is to clean my vegetables. I'm cleaning the onion right now. After peeling the onions, I will be cleaning my bell pepper as well. That is the tatashe I'm using. We call bell pepper tatashe, okay? And you call it paprika as well. So it's now time to remove all the seeds in it and clean it. Shout out to Chica Perpetua. Thanks for liking our recipes. God bless you. Thanks for sharing them as well. I'll be using habanero pepper. It has to be spicy. It's now time to rinse all those vegetables. Please don't rinse your habanero pepper with all the other vegetables. If you are washing them with your hands like this, okay? Wash it separately and wash the vegetables separately, okay? Because habanero pepper is very hot. It's now time to add it into it. It's already well washed already before frozen, okay? So it's now time to blend this. You can use your kitchen processor to blend this. Now I've added the habanero pepper into it. It's now time to add onions for easy blending. That's why I'm cutting it into small pieces like this, okay? Don't wonder. So you know your blender better, you can leave it whole or you cut it to small pieces like this. And it's now time to add water for easy blending. Not too much water, and please don't blend this smoothly. It has to be only roughly blended, okay, for you to get the real texture. Guys, that is our roughly blended pepper mix. That is my mackerel fish that I will be using. I've added diced onion into it, seasoning, salt, curry, and some water. Not too much water. Now cover and boil till done. So that is it. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. It will be done. I'm telling you, it is already done. It's now time to take it out and debone. You have to remove all the bones, okay? So that is only what you need to do. You don't need to do much when you're preparing this, and you're going to love the outcome. So guys, that is our mackerel fish, debone mackerel fish. Now in a pot, pour some vegetable oil into it and add diced onion. That's my diced onions. I'll not be using that much onions. Use as much as you want, okay? All right. So I fry the onions for about a minute, and I'm now adding the roughly blended pepper mix into it, okay? So after adding into it, now I'm adding my seasoning mixture direct into it. My thyme, I'm using thyme, garlic powder, seasoning cube, curry, salt, and I'll give it a good mix. Mix it well and fry. Remembering you have to be stirring it occasionally, okay? When you notice that the oil comes on top of the pepper mix, then it is now time to add your vegetables. I'll be using kale, and you can use spinach as well. If you don't have kale, you can use spinach. I'm using kale, and I've added the mackerel fish into it as well. It's now time to give it a good mix. Mix it thoroughly, and after that, all you need to do now is to fry everything for about 5 minutes. All right, just fry it openly like this for 5 minutes. Now you can take some out. I've taken some for rice. This is super for rice. And now let's move on to the second recipe. In a bowl, you have to break those eggs you'll be using into it and give it a good mix. Add crayfish powder into it and mix thoroughly again. Now pour it on the rest of the vegetable sauce. Now leave for about a minute to two, and it's now time to flip over. Just be taking it portion by portion and be flipping it. Wow, this aroma here, my goodness. Do you want to rock this with yam or with potatoes or with bread? You can even eat it like this. Oh my goodness, this looks so yummy and the aroma is everything. Please try this and you're going to thank me later. And our vegetable sauce is for rice. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.